And for the city councilors, there are 12 winners. First off is Honorable Nicaso Aliping Jr. with 54,159. Second is Attorney Betty Lourdes Tabanda with 53,260. Third is Honorable Isabelo Cosalan Jr. with 47,121. Third is Attorney Elmer Datuin with 45,240 votes. Fifth is Attorney Peter Pianza with 43,297. Number 6 is Attorney Edison Bilog with 42,958. Number 7 is Attorney Richard Carino with 39,373 votes. Number 8 is Attorney Perlita San Rondes with 37,913. Mag-rearrange na lang po mamaya. Next is Attorney Fred Bagbagen with 37,525. And next is Attorney Erdolfo Balahadia with 35,660. And Honorable Filian Luis Wegan, 35,663 votes. And last but not the least is Honorable Nicaso Palaganas with 35,400.